Laura here from Girls No Web. Today I have got a little haul from BH Cosmetics. Here's my box. And I got, because they were restocked, the Sweet Shoppy palettes. And I got all of them except the neutral one. Yeah. I'm so excited to look at these. I also got a couple of other things, so I'll show you those before I get into those. And I got some highlighter brushes because I have one highlighter brush that I got here. And I love this brush, and I use it for highlighter for that top of the cheek thing all the time. And whenever I wash it, I haven't got anything else quite like it that works quite the same. So when I saw the highlighter set, I thought, ooh, I'm going to try that out. So they're all supposed to be different kinds of highlighter brushes. So this is probably the only one I won't really use because I never use fan brushes for my highlighter, but these were all going to be interesting. This one is a very pinpointed highlighter. I have a feeling I'd use this one for eyeshadow rather than highlighter. And this one is one of those, I've forgotten what they're called, you know, the ones with the different size bristles that you use for creams and that. And this one's an angled one too, but it's bigger. So it just fits on your cheek like that. So I'm excited to have some more highlighter brushes. Sit there. And I also, because I couldn't resist, I got the Avocado Toast Weekend Vibes palette. I resisted and didn't get the blueberry one as well. Even though Nikki Raven said if you've got the Revolution Avocado one, you won't need this one. I do have that one, but I couldn't resist because look at those beautiful colours. I just love it. So I'm not going to play with it today because I want to play with one of the Sweet Talk palettes. Is that what it's called? Sweet Shoppy palettes, sorry. So let's have a look. You've probably already seen these, but they're new to me. So where am I going to put the box? Oh, I haven't got my microphone on. Hang on. Did you hear any of that? Because I forgot to put my microphone on. Hopefully you did because I don't want to redo it. So I got the bubble gum. Such cute packaging. I've heard such good things about the formula in these, and look, ooh, look at the colours. It's so pretty. And I nearly dropped it. Oh my god. Don't drop it. That's so beautiful. And got the cherry on top. Ooh, look at those. Look at that. Look at that colour there. Matches my nails. And this colour, juicy. That's so beautiful. I'm so excited. And the orange sorbet, which I know I'm going to like because I love orange. Oh, look at that. Oh, so many mouth-watering colours. And the pistachio. Sorry, I have trouble saying that word. Which I was really excited about to get these greens. Look at those. So beautiful. Now which one am I going to use? I don't know. I want to use all of them. Well, my daughter says I should use this one, cherry on top, because that colour matches my nails. So let's have a play. I can't wait to have a play. So I prepped my eyes, I had a cup of tea, Go in with a fluffy brush. I'm going to go into Sunday. Look at this beautiful colour. I need my mirror closer so I can see what I'm doing. Oh, that's a beautiful colour. Love that colour. It's a lovely warm pink, and warm pinks are good on my skin tone. I wear other pinks as well, but warm pinks are good on my skin tone. So that colour looks beautiful. I know it's just like the transition colour, but I still think it's a beautiful colour. Just blending it out at the top there. Which way do I want to go? I think I'm going to go in with Wild Cherry. I just stuck my fingernail in it. And you go in with Wild Cherry with a Real Techniques brush. Look at the pigmentation on that. Let's see how it blends. I can hear someone mowing lawns. Oh, that's such a beautiful colour. Oh. Oh, I love it. When they came out the first time, I thought, oh, those are really pretty. But I've got the colour pop ones. I don't really need more. And then the more I saw people saying how well they worked and how nice they were, the more I wanted it. And then, of course, they all sold out and I had no chance of getting it anyway. So when it came back in stock, I'm like, right, I want to get them. Okay, I'm going to go back into that Sunday colour and just do some blending. I might just go up a bit with Wild Cherry on this side. That's how I like to blend my colours. I like to use a lighter colour of the same kind of colour to blend it out when I can. Have I gone up high enough? I don't think I've gone up high enough with that Wild Cherry colour. It's in the morning, so my eyes are a bit more saggy. By this afternoon they won't be. That's just how my eyes work. Okay, that's better. Which shimmer do I want to use? I don't want to stick my fingers in this because they're so pretty. It's the waffle look of the cones. Oh, look at that. Look at the colour. I hope it shows up. Look at that one. Oh man, they're not making it easy for me to choose. And there's a lighter pink one. Okay, I have to use both of these. I'll probably end up using all three of those. I probably won't use the black cherry at the moment, which is the darkest one. What brush shall I use for that? I'm going to use my favourite flat brush. So I'm going to go in with this one first. This is the kind of colour that I am missing in my collection because every time I have to dupe a pink palette that has that kind of colour in it, I never have it. So now I do. I heard someone saying, and I can't remember who it was, sorry, that BH Cosmetics has kind of got so much better than it used to be, and a lot of people are overlooking it because they remember their formula from ages ago. But I started buying BH Cosmetics not last year, the year before, and I've never had any problem with them, and I love their shades. Look at that. That's I have got primer on which I haven't set, but just a dry brush, no glitter glue. It's just lovely. Okay, now I'm going to go into Juicy. It's so pretty. So pretty. Look how if it effortlessly those two colours blend together. And I'm going to go in with a sweet for in the corner. Nice. Just going to wipe those swatches off my arm before I get them all over me. Those are so nice. Okay, what do I want to do now? I think I will do the rest of my face and then I'll come back. Right, I have tight lined. I'm going to just line the top. I'm not going to do a wing today. I'm using my Master Precise liquid liner from Maybelline. And then decide what I want to put underneath. I'm going to go in with sparkles here, but first of all I'm going to use my Essence Berry Fantastic. I seem to be using this liner a lot this season, this month. I've been doing a few kind of red looks. I think that's why I've been using it a lot. And then I'm going to go in with, where's my brush? Here it is, my Wet n Wild smudge brush, and go into that dark sprinkles colour. Go over my liner. It's smudging out to a lovely colour. I think I want to go in with sweet, just for this bit here. Yeah. Look how pretty. I love it. I love it. Right. I'm going to put on some mascara if I can find it. Now, Ilia, I think it's called, ILIA, Deluxe Limitless Lash Mascara, and it's a little mini, and I've used it a couple of times now. I got this from Helene from H&M Makeup when she sent me something, and I really like this. It's got quite an unusual brush. Oops, getting it all over me. I don't know how well it'll show up on camera, but it's got a little slight curve on it. And at the top there, that line of bristles is longer than underneath. So that kind of combs through your lashes. And you can build the colour up with the other side, and then you can comb through. I quite like it. I think it does a good job. On my lips I am wearing my Mascara, oh, I just about dropped it, Lip Locked Priming Gloss Stain that I got in my Secret Santa from Chanel at EY Beauty. And there is my lip. And with the Sweet Shoppy Cherry on Top palette. And I love these colours. I think they look absolutely gorgeous. I love them. Now I'm going to go to the doctor wearing my very colourful eye makeup. So thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward to playing with all my other palettes, and I will see you next time. Have a great Christmas everyone. Bye.